Hey girl, hey. Okay, so we got another wig from SHEIN, and this is a Boho synthetic baby hair box braided synthetic lace front wig. I don't know what's going on with that. Yo, I thought that was the front hairline. I was like, what the fuck, girl? This is some mess. What is this? And I flipped it over and saw that. Okay, we working with something now. Yeah, I could work with this. This is nice. Okay, I'm happy as hell. Let's get started, y'all. Yeah, I know it's too big. It's too big. But what about it? Who gonna check me? Girl, this wig is heavy. You see I had to hold this thing down while I applied it. Okay, so I was struggling right here. It's a little bit big, so it kept sliding back, but I got it to work. Because what I wanted to say, this wig heavy is... I'm trying to tell you, I had to hold this the whole time I was applying it. Let me stop cussing. All right, bye, y'all. Keep watching the video. Girl, this beat hit hard, don't it? Okay, I could vibe to this. Anybody else try this? I am loving it. I think it gives me a nice little glow or whatever. That was my first time using it, but anyway, I am loving this. I am not so much loving it down because I got a little peanut head, but once I flip it over, I start to like it better. And if you keep watching, you'll see I tried to put it up into a little ponytail or something, but this is so freaking pretty. Like, for the money, I'll put the price up later, but I can't remember. But this is really freaking cute. All it takes is you just do a little work to it or whatever. So I'm gonna put these little beads on it to see how they look. I was struggling. I think I broke a couple of them trying to put them on. But once I put the beads on, the outfit, yeah, this is cute. This is well worth it. Like, I couldn't sit up in the chair anymore and get any braids. And this works. This works for me. So SHEIN, yeah, I like them. They did good. Yeah. Okay, so here I go. I'm putting it up in a little bun. I tried to crop it out because I didn't want you guys to see my big ass arms. My arms are huge. Yeah, they huge, girl. But anyway, keep watching. The video's almost over. I appreciate you guys checking out the video and watching. Please come back and watch more. I'm trying to get my subscribers up to at least 5,000. All right, girl. See you later. Keep watching. Bye.
No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot.
So glad you came. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.